Alright, ladies, it's time to get on your Zoom like that ass. If you do not have a V-part wig this summer, at least two, because ain't nobody finna be melting lace just to melt with the lace. It's too damn hot. So I'm showing y'all how I refresh my V-part wig. This is from Ashy Mary Hair. This is a 16-inch kinky curly V-part unit. As you can see, there's color to the front that I did dye myself using the bleaching kit from Dark and Lovely. Love that stuff. I've been actually wearing this hair for about 4 to 5 days now, and I've been sleeping in it. Very comfortable, still very removable. I achieved this look with my V-part using the crochet method. You may have seen a few of the girls doing it here on TikTok and YouTube. I absolutely love that method. Now the bomb thing is I did not have to use a crochet hook to achieve the crochet method. I actually used a beater, and I believe I learned that trick from someone here on Instagram. I believe it was a hairstylist that I saw that tip from. She was actually doing a regular crochet style on somebody, and literally that tip is a game changer. I swear to God, you will throw your crochet hook away. You never need to use it again. Like never. It was so smooth. I wasn't wincing in pain from hooking on my real hair by mistake. It just, yes, it was all that. So make sure y'all go get a beater. I will be posting a tutorial on how I achieved this look personally. I'm sure there's other tutorials, but I'll just do one. So make sure y'all follow and stay tuned.